Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Fluency Builder. Take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy this story. This is Storytelling Episode 19. And today's story is called The Day Everything Went Wrong. Perfectly. Let's begin. It was Monday morning, and Ethan woke up late. Very late. He looked at his phone. 8:47 a.m. His eyes widened. Oh no. He jumped out of bed, rushed to get ready, brushed quickly, dressed quickly, everything, fast, messy. As he ran out of his apartment, he realized something. He forgot his wallet. He stopped, turned back, ran upstairs again. By the time he came down, he had already missed his usual bus. Perfect, he said sarcastically. Now he had to wait 10 minutes. He stood there, annoyed, checking time again and again. Finally, another bus came. He got in, but this bus was different. Crowded, no seats. He stood there, holding the handle, slightly irritated. At the next stop, a man dropped his coffee right near Ethan's shoes. Great, Ethan whispered. He moved back carefully, trying not to step on it. Now his mood? Completely ruined. He reached office late. Of course. He walked in quietly, trying not to attract attention. But his manager saw him. Ethan, she called. He froze. Yes. Come here for a moment. Ethan walked slowly, prepared for a lecture. But instead, she said something unexpected. We had an early meeting today. Ethan nodded nervously. You weren't there, she said. Yes, but, she continued, that meeting got intense. Ethan blinked. There was a big discussion. Some people were blamed. Some decisions were rushed. She paused. You were lucky you missed it. Ethan stood still. Lucky? Yes, she smiled slightly. Because now, we're starting fresh. She handed him a file. I want you to handle this project. Ethan was shocked. Me? Yes. He slowly took the file. Later that day, he sat quietly at his desk, thinking, if he had woken up on time, if he had not forgotten his wallet, if he had caught his usual bus, he would have been in that meeting. Maybe stressed, maybe blamed, maybe stuck, but instead, everything went wrong. And somehow, everything turned right. Sometimes, bad mornings lead to good days. Sometimes, delays protect you. And sometimes, what feels like a problem is actually a quiet opportunity. So next time something goes wrong, don't rush to judge it. Because maybe, just maybe, it's going wrong perfectly. Thank you for listening to Storytelling Episode 19 on English Fluency Builder. If you find this storytelling useful, do subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button, and continue learning English with us. I will see you in the next episode.